Hey there, full stack web developer. Are you ready to master web development and build real-world AI-powered apps without wasting time on boilerplate code? Welcome to Build and Launch Your First AI SaaS App, a course designed to turn your ideas into working products 10x faster using the power of Cursor AI, Next.js, MongoDB Atlas, and OpenAI. In this course, we will build ThinkMate, a modern AI-powered note-taking app that combines beautiful design with powerful backend features. Most web dev courses just teach you syntax, but here you will learn to build like a pro, automate with AI, and think like a startup founder. Each module is driven by clear prompts. You feed into Cursor AI to generate production-grade code, meaning less time Googling and more time building. You will still learn the why, but you will also ship feature fast. So what you will learn? You will learn build with Next.js App Router, React, and Tailwind CSS. Implement authentication with Google. Connect to MongoDB Atlas for storing nodes. Using OpenAI API to generate AI-written content. Manage full CRUD functionality in a protected dashboard. Add advanced node feature, and at the end, polish and deploy to Railway hosting platform like a pro. This is not just about building a project, it's about building your portfolio, gaining real skills, and future-proofing your career with AI tools. Even if you are a beginner, this course is designed for you. You will follow a step-by-step guidance, and by the end, you will have a full-stack SaaS app you can show off, monetize, or use as a freelancer starter kit. So if you're serious about leveling up your skills and building smarter with AI, hit the enroll now button and let's start building your future with Cursor AI by your side.